Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing A Little Touch of Magic. If you haven't seen my other unboxings of this box, this is amazing. This is the only box I've ever received, seen, heard of that is like this. It is a monthly assortment of items themed around a short story. Typically, I think there's like 5 to 7 items. It's $45.99. It's just beautifully put together. I do love it. It's just very unique. It's like and if you're into like boxes where it really is a mystery, you typically will receive jewelry. That is like a for sure. But the other items are always like they're very much curated around the story, and the story changes every month. This is the November box. And it's themed She is Fierce. So this is our story. And there's something in here that smells like grapes. So, and this is a longer one. They have been getting longer. I really enjoy these. My daughter really loves the story. She's like, oh, is that one with the books? I'll take the book. She keeps them all in her room. So anyway, this has wolves on it. I'm guessing it has some wolf themes and, you know, things like that. And I do like that title, She's Fierce. I like it a lot. So let's get in here. All right, She is Fierce. This is our card. This lists each of the items that we received. Also, it lists their retail values, so that's really nice to have. And then it does have the theme on the back there with the fall like motif. A Himalayan holiday. Oh, is this this might be we could hear the violent howling, however far off. I knew if we moved to the mouth of the cave, we would see the snow threatening to devour us. When Jupiter asked if I would like to find out what the colorless beam was, I figured there was nothing to lose. If we took our time, there was a chance the storm would be long gone by the time we were done. I fell into step with Jupiter, strolling down corridors of nature-carved snow and ice. The only sounds were from his hard hooves when they didn't meet enough snow to muffle his tread. So I don't know if this is from this box or this is maybe a spoiler or a theme reveal for next month. This month, which is actually this month, December. All right. So first up here we have this adorable little, oh my gosh, little pumpkins and leaves. It's all wrapped up in twine. There's little pumpkins, and then there's a little cinnamon, like spice scented votive candle in the bottom. I don't want to open it up because I didn't take my pictures, and it's so pretty. I like that. And then at the end of this video, we will go through the card and look at the retail values. All right, so Winter Warrior new bone china mug from Lisa Parker. Oh, it's a wolf mug. How cool is that? Ooh, look, aren't they pretty? Oh my goodness, my mom would love this. She loves wolves. She loves anything with wolves on it. She really loves. That is super cute. I don't have anything like that. I love the handle here. Do you see the little decoration on the handle? Very pretty. All right. Let's see. Oh wow, this is stacked. All right, right here is an item. Don't fall off. Let's see what it is. Ooh. It smells like the box, like that. So it's from C Mode. Is it a shawl? It looks like a shawl. It's red. It's just like perfect for right now. Oh no, it's a poncho. Oh, is this Little Red Riding Hood themed? Yes, I do remember that. Do you remember me saying that? I think I remember them saying it's Little Red Riding Hood themed for November. And this is it's wolves and then the red hood. Isn't this cool? Oh, I love this. It's so pretty. You could put this like under your coat and then you'd have like this warm layer. I'm going to wear this for the rest of the video, just so you all know. All right, then we've got, what is this? Goat's Milk Cranberry Chutney. This is a handcrafted bath product from Le Noir Bazaar. This has like a metallic finish. This is what I smelled when I opened the box. It has a purpley smell. It's cranberry. I thought maybe it was grape. It's like a purpley. What I would call a purple smell. That's weird. I know. I can't explain or describe it. But look at the pretty pattern on it. I love that. Okay. This is probably our jewelry because there's always something jewelry related in here. And this is Fresh & Co. She is Fierce brass bracelet. We make a high quality brand, vintage chic class and unique design. Designed by Fresh. So this has that cool hook in the bracelet. I'm getting a gall. Yikes. So there that is. That's more of like a rose gold finish. It's really, really pretty. Well, it's brass. Ashley, I'm excited. I like that a lot. I like that band. You can't see it. I'll link down below to the full review, so look at the pictures to see that on, because that's really pretty. All right. Next, we have A Little Touch of Magic. Where will the story lead you? It's a box. I don't know what's in it yet. My cat's down there sniffing at everything. Ooh, look at this. How pretty. How gorgeous. So this is like one of those necklaces that will just lay like on your chest. You know what I mean? Like it's almost like a choker. And it's like leaves and stuff. How beautiful. I love this. Ooh, that might be my favorite item. I don't know. All right, so we're down to our final item, which is a set of cards. Actually, 2 cards here. The first one is Happy Thanksgiving. These are always blank inside. They're like no cards you can give to anybody. Getting a little hot in there. And then the other says Grateful, and it has like a foiling on it where it says Grateful. It's very, very pretty. These are always nice. I really think that's a nice touch because each box you can write your own note. All right, so let's look at the card and go through our retail values. The red hooded ponchos, $40. The wolf mug that in the gift box is $14. The autumn leaf statement necklace with matching earrings. Oh, there's earrings? Oh, there are. I didn't even see that. See right there? There's earrings. How cool is that? I just dropped the mesh thing. That's $40. The She is Fierce Delicate Band Bracelet is $28. The Cranberry Chutney Soap is $6. The Thanksgiving card set is $14. And then the Pumpkin Votive Fall Decor is $12. Oh, I'll have that for next year. That's wonderful. I love this box. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think this is such a good, fun, solid box full of great products. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Little Touch of Magic so you can check them out. Give this video a like. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.